I always get the question, Dr. Kali, what's the difference between leadership and management? And I want to address it today. Now, leadership is the ability of an individual or a group of individuals to influence and guide followers or other members of an organization towards the achievement of a worthy purpose by maximizing their efforts, guiding people towards a worthy purpose by maximizing their potentials so that they can achieve what the group or group's interest is or purpose is. Now, management is the art and science of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling, and the application of some sets of principles in harnessing physical, financial, human, and informational resources, harnessing them efficiently and effectively to achieve organizational goals. It's sounding the same way. But leadership is about the ability of an individual or group of individuals to influence and guide followers or other members of an organization towards the achievement of a worthy purpose by organizing their efforts. Okay? But management is the art and science of the planning and the organizing and directing and controlling and application of some sets of principles and harnessing these principles, the physical, the financial, the human, and informational resources, harnessing them efficiently and effectively to achieve organizational goals. So, what's the difference? How can you show us the difference in bullet points? So, while management is task oriented management is task oriented, leadership is people oriented. I'm going to still talk about managers and leaders. Why management is transactional, leadership is transformational. While management is about doing things right, leadership is about doing the right things. While management is about events and tasks and making sure it is achieved, leadership is about attitudes and behaviors. While management is about rational, thinking without any other consideration, leadership is about inspirational and visionary thinking. Why management is about instructing people, leadership listens and empowers people. Why management is about cognitive intelligence, leadership is about emotional intelligence. Why management relies on authority in order to lead, leadership is about leading through others. Management is about push approach. Leadership is about pull approach. It asks questions and pulls people in. While management is about status quo, leadership looks beyond what is now, visionary into the future, and also, risk taking, make sure that they are not in the status quo. But you see, we will say manage tasks and lead people. You must straddle the two. If you must be good in what you do, you must manage tasks and then you lead people. So the difference between a manager and a leader is that while managers give instructions, give directions, leaders ask questions because they seek understanding. While managers have subordinates, leaders have followers. While managers hold authority, leader is motivational. His attitude, his actions, his body language motivate you to do, but manager said do, and yeah. Okay. Now get it right. In my own mental model, I wouldn't want to extol one above the other. The reason for this video is combine the two. Be able to understand how to use the tool. Managers tell you what to do, leaders show you how. Managers have good ideas, leaders actions good ideas. Managers, leaders action good ideas. Managers react to change, leaders create change. Managers try to be the hero, leaders make heroes. Managers exercise power, leaders develop power. So the question is, how are you managing and how are you leading? Can you have the metric, can you have a leadership metrics? Can you have a management metrics that involves leadership and a leadership metrics that involves management? That is, be the leader manager and the manager leader. That's the essence of this video. None is so bigger than the other that you should neglect management. If you neglect management, tasks will never be accomplished. If you neglect leadership, people will just feel like they are machines, and it's very important you understand that. Now, like, follow, subscribe, put on the notification bell so that you can have more anytime. Yeah, see you soon.